What if just 2 hours a day could change your life forever? Let's talk about it. Brother and sister in the diaspora. Imagine earning $900 a day while working just 2 hours. This isn't just a dream, it is a reality. It is a system that is helping people just like you gain financial freedom and create a legacy for your family. My name is François and I am currently living in Lisbon. A few years ago, I left my home country to look for better opportunity abroad. It hasn't been easy. I struggled with new environment, new languages, and starting from scratch again and again due to I had to move from one country to another. I struggled a lot with financial setback. That is why I decided to do online business to earn some additional income after discovering the power of digital marketing. With just 2 hours a day, I am now building a business that earns daily payment of $100, $300, $600, and even $900, all 100% profit. I have seen other brother and sister in the diaspora just like you take the step and change also their life. It is not just about the money. It is about reclaiming your time and also creating a life of freedom and being able to visit your family member and friend back home and take that well-deserved vacation without worrying about finances. I will share the tools, the training, and also the support system that is helping so many people around the world, and I know it can help you also. I will share with you some new earning proof or statement inside our community of over 46,000 active members. You will see that it is truly working for so many people, and I do believe it can work for you also if you follow the blueprint. Here you can see today is Saturday, the 30th of November 2024, and I will share with you some earning proof. But first, earning disclaimer. You can take a screenshot so you can read this later, because in any online or offline business, earnings are not guaranteed, but it is possible if you follow the step-by-step guide that we have inside, and it is possible to duplicate or to earn similar result or even greater than what we are going to see today. This inside our community, I took a screenshot. This came on this news feed and I took it. You can see here that was 7 days ago. Joy posted. She said here, love the automated system. I am absolutely in love with this automated system, she said, getting my hair done and bam, enroll another $800 commission. That is a total of $4,512 plus this week. I have cried many happy tears this week, she said. Just 6 days before my son's 8th birthday and a month before the holiday. These two special occasions will have always been a source of financial stress, but this year I am so looking forward to both without having to worry about the cost. I will be forever thankful for you, Michelle. Your belief in creating something for yourself has impacted thousands of lives across the globe, including mine, she said. And she said, yeah, have to laugh at this photo, but the moment needed to be documented, hair, dye, and all. You can see here she put a picture, and this system is truly amazing. This online business that you can also get started. You can get your own international digital business. Is a autopilot business, and you can do this from any country. Let's continue. That was 18 hours ago. Joy posted almost $2,500 earned while celebrating my little boy 8th birthday. She said, yes, today we celebrated our baby 8th birthday after both kids were stuck in. I started cleaning the kitchen, party hat and streamer, and dishes from a fun-filled evening. This ding, two sales came in 10 minutes apart, almost 2,500 Canadian dollars. I can't help but sit here in tears of gratitude. This time last year, I didn't know how we were going to pay for Christmas. I was staring at my winter tire, wondering if they will get me through another Canadian winter. My life has changed drastically. And the message continues. Yes, he put some screenshot from the payment processor. You can see here Skype is Stripe. It's a payment gateway. So where she received her payment notification here in dollar, US dollar, but in Canadian dollar. She's talking here about Canadian dollar. She probably got a 2 sales of $900 commission. Probably this is what she received. But in fact, she converted into Canadian dollar what she earned so far, as you can see here. So this business is helping so many people. It can do the same to you if you follow the step-by-step guide that we have inside. Congratulations. Let's move on to see some more. Here, that was 2 days ago. Nicole posted. She was able to receive her first $900 sales while on a legacy training yesterday. So we have some training almost every week. As you can see here, at the time I was taking the screenshot, you can see on the calendar here, it said on Monday 7 p.m. there will be another mentoring Zoom happening in 4 days. You can see here. So Nicole was able to get her first commission. She said this is truly what passive income is all about. So exciting. I have had sales, but this is my first $900 sales. And I am stuck. All glory to God. Thank you, Michelle, for this amazing opportunity. So because this is a business or this program, it gives you 4 income streams. So she have been getting sales from the other product level. We have $100, $300, and $600 level, but this sales was her first $900. As you can see, so you can earn unlimited commission from all 4 products. Tina also posted 2 hours ago. She said the business rock woke up to another sales, that is 2 legacy builder program in less than 72 hours. So that is a $900 twice. That is $1,800 that she earned in 3 days, 72 hours. And she said, yeah, I am only getting started with this business. And she's excited also. Congratulations. And let's see some more. Here, Paul posted 2 hours ago also. Pinsing, keep going. I am so excited that we are now at $112,000 earned in 6.5 months. You can see here, he's already a six-figure income earner inside our community. One of them, you can see here, she said, I'm from Toronto, Canada. So that is a lot of money for us. Never give up, my friend, and I'm always willing to help. I mentor people to help, and his message continue. So inside our community, the goal is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner. So you can see in 6 months, just less than 7 months, he was able to earn $112,000. And you can see, and congratulations to everyone inside our community. Kathleen also posted 24 hours ago, she earned $17,900, almost $20,000 by Christmas. So incredibly thankful that we said yes to this amazing opportunity just a few months ago. After several years in the multi-level marketing, network marketing business, I was done with the hustle culture as a stay-at-home mom, and her message continued. Okay, you can see. So the goal is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. So this is the best time to get started, to join our community by becoming a member of this program. You can be starting your own international business today. My goal is to help people like you, people who have also left their home country, living overseas and working, but it's not easy to get a good paying job as an immigrant, because I have gone through the same struggle. I know it's not easy to get. That is why it is good if you can get something like this, a business that can help you to earn some additional income, so it can help you to facilitate your life while you are living abroad. So my goal is to help people who want to become their own boss, people who want to earn more money working less time, people who want to earn a minimum of $2,000 to over $5,000 per month, to have more time freedom to do whatever they want, who want to travel wherever and whenever they want without asking for a permission. My goal is to help you to start your own international business. It's a business in a box that you can run from any country. You only need a minimum of 2 hours a day to make this work for you by following a step-by-step guide, so you can have an automated online business working for you 24/7. This is our private community. I took a screenshot just few minutes ago today before I start to record this video. We are now at 46,200 members. And this is the best place to be, where you will be learning and earning at the same time. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like. Also, if you would like to learn more on how you can get started with this business, put ready in the comment and I will get the details to you. And I will also be happy if you could subscribe to my channel, and every time I upload a video, you can get a notification. So I look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye for now.